In the meantime, there are fresh attempts at including violence intervention programs at some schools. 30 youth and their parents are participating in one such initiative at the Charlie Smith High School in Trenchtown. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
It's been tough times for Salome Campbell and her son, who she says is struggling with anger issues. And so, when he was selected to be part of a violence intervention program at his school, Charlie Smith High, she signed him up right away.
He loved the program because at evening time stay back, and when he did have a little anger management so him kind of cool down, and the teacher work with him, and evening time him come home and ask him about how was the class. He said it's just good.
It's called the Agents for Transformation Project, being managed by the Joytown Community Development Foundation, and it's not only for the students, parents are also included.
We've had fellows who are angry, going into gangs, and because the teachers, as one guy said, I forget the words they use, but this the teacher, they had another word, right? And the teachers still worked with them. Once the youngsters realize that you can hear them, that they are important to somebody, that they have a future, then you can get them on board to begin to take on the new values and to change behavior and to apply themselves to learning. And eventually become productive citizens.
But it's programs like these that many believe is critical to addressing violence in schools and by extension the history of crime and violence plaguing Jamaica. Now the principal has even said that he's seen marked improvement in the behavior of many of the students who are part of the program.
There are students who just this week would have been rewarded with leadership positions. Just in September they have joined the program, and I think that is testimony to the work of this project.
MP and opposition leader Mark Golding says youth in inner cities are particularly vulnerable. However, through programs like these, they're prepared to deal with the issues.
Parenting, weak family structures, community behavior which is not holistic and positive, all of these things the youth have to endure. It's important that we help those who would otherwise perhaps struggle with some of these things and give them the best possible chance of orienting their life in a positive direction.
The project is expected to end in March, but the school is hoping that another batch of students can be enrolled. One of the students shared to us his pitch.
Ms. Taylor has been teaching us about conflict differences and how to deal with conflict and to walk away sometimes. I would encourage many other people, many other children that need learning to, enhance their learning abilities, leadership skills, and to have better learning experience with different people other from the teachers you see almost every day.
The project is being funded by USAID local development partners and Sterling Asset Management. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.